You're welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into the two CRM comparison between Zendesk and Bitrix24. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Zendesk is a robust CRM focused on customer support, offering an intuitive interface, automation, and seamless integration. It's great for teams that prioritize fast, organized support and detailed analytics. The platform excels in tracking tickets, managing customer interaction, and also scaling support operation efficiently. However, pricing can be steeper for small business and it's less suited for full sales pipeline management. I'm talking about Bitrix24, on the other hand, is an all-in-one CRM and collaboration suite with the help of AI tools for sales, marketing, and project management. It's ideal for teams wanting a single platform to handle multiple workflows. The pros include the comprehensive features and a filter for smaller teams. On the downside, the interface can feel cluttered and the setup may be complex for beginners. So in my opinion, Zendesk for customer support focus, while go for Bitrix24 for all-in-one solution. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.